In this video today we will be making street style aloo pakoda. These are crunchy, simple and very easy to make, yet too tasty to resist. Hello and welcome to Recipes You Like. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, giving you valuable feedback and comments in the comment section below. And before we begin, do consider to subscribe, hitting the bell icon to get the latest recipes from Recipes You Like. Let's begin. For making these aloo pakodas, we have taken here 3 medium-sized aloo potatoes. Though the street vendors don't peel them, but we will peel them here and thinly slice them either using a slicer or by hand manually. Using a sharp knife, slice them as thinly as possible. And next we are going to rinse them with water 2 to 3 times to take out as much starch as possible, and then strain them out from the water. Then keep them aside just for a while. Don't worry, they won't get black within 2 to 3 minutes. Moving on, in a bowl we will take 1 cup of gram flour besan. In this add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder or add it as per your taste, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric haldi, a pinch of baking soda, edible soda, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain. Crush them between your palms before adding for better flavor. Add just a pinch of Asafoetida Hing powder, 1 full teaspoon of green coriander chutney or paste, or add 1 full tablespoon of fresh chopped coriander. To give our pakodas a crispy texture, we will add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. To make a jugaad of rice flour, you can grind little bit of rice in your grinder, though it won't be too fine. Let's now make a batter, adding water little at a time. First make it into a paste, breaking all the lumps, and then make it into a batter, adding water gradually. The batter shouldn't be neither too thin or too thick. Total here we added about half cup of water to make this batter. Take each slice of the aloo, dip and coat it with the batter evenly, and then drop it into the hot oil. To make the aloo pakodas crispy, we need to fry them over a medium heat till they are golden brownish in color. In between, flip them upside down so that they get fried evenly on every side. Strain them out and keep them over a paper towel. Fry all the rest in the same way. Enjoy these crunchy, delicious, mouth-watering aloo pakodas hot with any green chutney. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon, or follow us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Till we meet again, do make and enjoy the recipe, and see you with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.